A exterior cleaning kit for your RV. First thing you'll find is a bag to keep all your accessories in. Half gallon of the Gabe's Pride. 2 exterior cleaning kit pads. And a pad holder. And last but not least, the foam gun. The RV Streaker is formulated to go into a foam gun at 4 ounces per gallon. The foam gun is assembled by attaching the tube to the bottom of the head of the foam gun. I call it the wand part, connects to the end of the foam gun, like so. When in storage, pull this off and keep it inside the half gallon. When you put your RV Streaker into the half gallon, when you're done with what you're using, you put it right back into the container because it dilutes it on its way out. Straight. Connect to a garden hose and then quick connect to your foam gun. That's how you use it.